press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, subject social science, topic the rise of new religion, okay, class 6. In this class we study about the rise of new religion, okay. Gautama Buddha was Buddhism. In this class we study about Buddhism. Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. Who was the founder of Buddhism, children? Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism, and Mahavira was the important Tirthankara. Mahavira was the important Tirthankara of Jainism. Once again, I will repeat, children. Listen here. Now, Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism, isn't it? And then Mahavira was the important Tirthankara of the Jainism. Okay. So he was a Tirthankara. Who? Mahavira was a Tirthankara. Gautama Buddha founded Buddhism. Understood, children? Both these were Kshatriyas. Belonging to a clan of republics. Republics means what, children? Republics. Okay. Republics means what? Republic means a kingdom ruled by the king. Republics means what? A kingdom ruled by the king. Both these were Kshatriyas. Who? Gautama Buddha and Mahavira, they were Kshatriyas. Okay. They belong to a Kshatriya clan or group. Clan means group. Clan or group. But they came forward to found the new religion. Okay. They found new religion, children. Okay. Now first we study about Buddhism. See here, children, the religion founded by the religion founded by Gautama Buddha. Who founded Buddhism, children? Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. Who was the founder of Buddhism, children? Gautama Buddha founded the Buddhism. Okay, the religion founded by Gautama Buddha was Buddhism. Okay, once again, the religion founded by Gautama Buddha was established about 2500 years ago. The religion founded by Gautama Buddha, which religion, children? Buddhism, founded by Gautama Buddha. It was established about 2500 years ago. Okay, you can see the picture, children. See here, children. Okay, page number 99. Page number 99. See here. You can see the picture of the Buddha. He was sitting below the peepal tree. Below the peepal tree, he is getting enlightenment. Understood, children? He was getting enlightenment. Now let us learn about the Buddha's life. Okay, see here. Gautama Buddha was born in Lumbini near Kapilavastu of Nepal. Gautama Buddha was born in Lumbini. He was born in Lumbini. Lumbini near Kapilavastu of Nepal. His childhood name was what, children? His childhood name was Siddhartha. Whose childhood name was Siddhartha? Gautama Buddha's childhood name was Siddhartha. Understood? Gautama Buddha's childhood name was Siddhartha. Okay. Gautama Buddha's childhood name was Siddhartha. And then we see here his childhood name was Siddhartha, his father name was Shuddhodana. Gautama Buddha's father name was what? Shuddhodana. Shuddhodana was the father of Gautama Buddha. His father name was what, children? Shuddhodana. His father name Shuddhodana. Shuddhodana. Okay, he was the head of Shakya Republic. Who was the head of Shakya Republic, children? Shuddhodana. He was the father of Gautama Buddha. Buddha's father name was Shuddhodana. He was the head of Shakya Republic. Okay, his mother name was Maya Devi. Gautama Buddha mother name was Maya Devi. Okay, and then his wife name was Yashodhara. Now we learn about the childhood. We study about the Buddha's life. Okay, his Buddha's wife name was Yashodhara. Yashodhara. Okay, and his son name was what, children? Rahul. Rahul was his son. Rahul. Okay, once again, children, Gautama, we study about the life of Gautama Buddha. Okay, he was born in Lumbini near Kapilavastu of Nepal. Okay, his childhood name was what, children? His childhood name was Siddhartha. His father name was Shuddhodana. Okay, and then his mother name was Maya Devi. Okay, and his wife name was Yashodhara, and he had the son, his name was Rahul. Okay, next, see here, children, a sage named Asita said that Siddhartha would be the king of world. After seeing him as an infant, he also predicted. What he predicted? What he said that? He said that he would be a sage. Who would be sage, children? Gautama Buddha become a sage who get rid of misery of the world. Okay, and when hearing these words of the sage Shuddhodana expecting his son. Usually Shuddhodana expecting his son to become a king, isn't it? Shuddhodana brought him up in luxury and insulated him from miseries of the world. Okay, still Siddhartha remained unhappy, children, because once while roaming in the city, accidentally he came across an old man, deceased man, and a sage, and a funeral procession, children. Okay, all the four scenes made him to renounce the worldly things and motivate him to go in search of the root cause of sorrows. See here, children, once again, so who was the founder of Buddhism, children? Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. Okay, this is the religion founded by Gautama Buddha. Buddhism was established about 2500 years ago. Okay, and then we see here he was born in a small village called Lumbini, isn't it? He was born in Lumbini near Kapilavastu of Nepal. His childhood name was Siddhartha. Okay, he was born in Kshatriya family. Okay, children, what happened once a sage told about the future of Siddhartha. Okay, what he told, what he predicted, children? He will become the king of the world. After seeing as an infant that a child only he would become a popular figure in the world. Okay, he also predicted that, children, what he predicted? He would be a sage who gets rid of misery of the world. Okay, predicted to say about the future The sage named Asita, the sage name was what, children? Asita. He told that Siddhartha become a sage. In future, Siddhartha become a sage. He would be a responsible to remove the sorrows of the world, sorrows of the people. Okay, children, he would be responsible to remove the sorrows of the people. And here, when hearing these words, Shuddhodana, when hearing the words of the sage, Shuddhodana expecting his son to become a king, isn't it? But what happened, children? His father was a king, Shuddhodana. Naturally, he wanted his son to be king. So Shuddhodana brought him up in luxuries. And insulated him from miseries of the world. Okay, he protected him. He never wanted him to expose. Expose his son to the worldly life. That's why he gave all the luxuries for him. He provided all the luxuries in the palace. Okay, and he kept him away from the world, miseries of the world. And then he protect or covered. Okay, who? Shuddhodana protected him or covered him to give him all covered him, and he gave all luxuries for him. Okay, still Siddhartha remained unhappy. He got all luxuries. He led luxury life. But what happened, children? He remained unhappy. Siddhartha, he feel sad. He remained unhappy. He was feeling unhappy. Okay, he was not satisfied this life. Okay, children, he was not happy with the luxuries. Who? Siddhartha. Okay, not happy in the balanced life. Okay, or king life. He did not like the king life. Okay, once he went to the city, he met or by chance he came across an old man. He met old man. Okay, and then he met old man, and then he met deceased man. Okay, and then he met a sage and dead body. Okay, and he met funeral procession. Understood, children? He saw what happened once he went to the city. When he went to the city, by chance what happened? He came across an old man, deceased man, and a sage and a funeral procession. Okay, he saw 4 incidents. When he went to the city, he saw 4 incidents. So he came across, and when he came across an old man, when he met the old man, what he thought, children? Then he thought, I will become like this. One day I also became old. I will become like this. All the people will become old. Who thought this, children? Gautama Buddha thought. When he met the old man, he thought, I will become like this. I will become old man. All people also become old. Understood, children? All people will become old. He was not knowing anything, children. Understood? Before, he was not knowing anything about worldly life, because Shuddhodana, he did not want his son became sage, isn't it? That's why he gave all the luxuries for the Gautama Buddha. He covered, he protect him, he gave him all luxuries. Still Siddhartha remained unhappy, isn't it, children? He protected, Shuddhodana protected him. He never wanted him to his son become a sage. Understood, children? That's why he never wanted him to expose his son to the worldly life. That's why he gave all the luxuries. Okay, he provided all luxuries. luxuries, okay, in the palace, and he kept him away from the miseries of the world. Understood, children? That's why before he not knowing anything, children, he was not knowing anything about worldly life, worldly life, okay, because his father did not expose him when accidentally when he went to the city, he met old man, okay, and then he thought, what he thought, children? I will become like this, I will become old, all the people will become old. He was not knowing anything about world life, children, because his father did not exposed him, okay. When he saw an old man, children, what happened? He began to think about that. He saw a disease, and then he saw deceased man. He began to think, this will attack the man, this will attack the man, okay. He began to think this will attack the man. We became sage. It means what, children? Is a person who renounced the worldly life. They are not attached to palace or worldly life, okay. And then he saw funeral procession also, isn't it, children? A man was dead, funeral procession was there. These four incidents changed the life of Gautama Buddha, life of Siddhartha, okay. This make to him think about this, all the four scenes made him to renounce the worldly life, worldly things, and motivate him, and these things motivate him go and search root causes of the sorrows, children, okay. He comes back. Who, children? Gautama Buddha comes back to the palace, okay. He comes back to palace. He continuously thinking, children, thinking about these four things. He decided to, what he decided? He decided to sacrifice, renounce the worldly life. Understood, children? Luxury life. He decided he renounced or he sacrificed the luxury life. He wanted to go and search to root causes for the sorrows. Understood, children? When Siddhartha met the old man, sage, funeral procession, and deceased man, he thought, understood, he comes back to palace. He continuously thinking about these four things, okay, and he decided, children, to renounce or sacrifice the palace life or luxury life. He wanted to go and search to the root causes of the sorrows, okay. What are causes of sorrows? He thought, what are the causes of sorrows? He wanted to find out and tell the society, and he wanted to help the people. That's why one night, what happened, children? One night Siddhartha left his family, left his palace, family, luxury life, without any information to anyone, children. He left his home, okay. Son is in this palace, his son is there, wife is there. Usually his son wants to become sage. Nobody will accept this point, children, isn't it, to give pain to the parents, okay. Finally one night, what happened, children? Siddhartha left his family, left palace, okay. He did not inform anyone, okay. He decided to sacrifice or renounce the worldly life, luxury life. That's why he left the family, left his family, palace, okay. He did not inform anyone. He wanted to find the causes for the sorrows, okay. That's why he went out, left his family, okay. He took the guidance of many sages on the ways of removes the sorrows, okay. He thought, what can I do? What can I do? Remove the sorrows of the people. He continuously thought, thinking, children, what can I do? Remove the sorrows of the people. Okay, still he could not find the answers. He met so many, he get guidance from the so many sages on the ways of remove the sorrow. He thought, what can I do? Remove the sorrows of the people. Okay, still he could not find the answers, children. That's why about that he consulted so many sages. He think continuously. He think continuously, but still he could not find the answers. So even Siddhartha also could not get solution for the root of the sorrows, causes for the sorrows. Finally, he sat under the peepal tree. Finally, he sat under the peepal tree in Gaya. In which place, children? In Gaya of Bihar, and meditated for many days. Understood, children? Once again listen here. Finally, what happened, children? He sat under the peepal tree. Who sat under the peepal tree, children? Gautama Buddha sat under the peepal tree because he think continuously, but still he could not find the answers. Okay, even Siddhartha also could not get solution for the sorrows of the peoples, roots, causes for the sorrows. That's why he sat under the peepal tree in Gaya of Bihar. Okay, and meditated for many days. Gaya, it is sacred place. Many Hindu will be go to this pilgrimage, children. Okay, he sat under the peepal tree and went for meditation for so many days. He did meditation for many days and he became enlightened. One day he became enlightened there and he became Buddha. How he became Buddha, children? He sat under the peepal tree, understood, and went for meditation for many days. He did meditation for many days and he became enlightened there, children, and he became Buddha. He became Buddha. Understood, children? Buddha means what, children? One who knows, one who has the knowledge, enlightened, many things came out of his mind. Okay. See here, children, while some solution for his problems, this place is known as Bodh Gaya. Okay, even today this is a sacred place, Bodh Gaya, isn't it? Buddha preached his thoughts to 5 disciples. Means to say about the religious. Okay, preached means what, children? To say about the religious teachings. Okay. So first he selected 5 students. He selected 5 students at Saranath, okay, near Varanasi, present Kashi or Banaras. Okay, there were 3 names, children. Okay, whatever thought came into his mind, he preached only to 5 disciples, 5 students. Okay, or students. Place selected was Saranath. Okay, this incident was identified as Dharma Chakra Parivartana. Okay, Dharma Chakra Parivartana. To change the mind of the people, so he preached some teachings are about the religion, children. He traveled around Bihar and other places for about 40 years. How many years, children? About 40 years, and preached his thoughts. See, he sacrificed almost full life to remove the sorrows of the people. He traveled continuously for 40 years and teached his thoughts. Okay, during the initial stage, people did not understand his value or his teachings or his preachings. Slowly he became very famous. Who, children? Gautama Buddha slowly became very famous. Finally Buddha away at Kushi, passed away at Kushinagar of Bihar. He was died at Kushinagar of Bihar. He died at a place called Kushinagar, children, of Bihar. Okay. Once again, children, see here, one night what happened? Siddhartha left his family and left his palace without information anyone. He sought guidance from many, he get guidance from many sages and the ways of removing sorrows. Okay, he could not find the answers about the root of sorrows. Finally, that's why he sat under a peepal tree, okay, in Gaya of Bihar, and meditated for many days, and he did meditation. Okay, he became enlightened there. When he meditation for so many days, he became enlightened there and became Buddha. Okay, how Siddhartha became Buddha, children? He did meditation for many years, many days. He did meditation for many days. He became enlightened there and he became Buddha. Okay, Buddha means what, children? One who knows. This place is known as Bodh Gaya. Okay, where he was enlightened, this place was known as Bodh Gaya. Okay, Buddha preached his thoughts to first to 5 disciples. How many disciples? 5 disciples. Okay, at Saranath near Varanasi at present Uttar Pradesh for the first time. This incident is identified as Dharma Chakra Parivartana. Dharma Chakra Parivartana. Okay, later he travelled around Bihar and other palaces for about 40 years and preached his thoughts. Slowly, the fame of Buddha spread around. Many kings respected him. Finally, Buddha passed away at Kushinagar of Bihar. Thank you, children.